Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video we are going to show you how you can make money online. So subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video on YouTube. So the site that you are going to use for today's video is called the Achieve project. So this app or this site is like making savings in your bank that you earn interest from them. So what this app do is that when you create an account, you have to make a deposit, and they have a minimum deposit of 10 Ghana cedis. You have to make a deposit into your account and you earn commissions from your money daily. So let's read about what this site is. So it says grow your savings with ease on Achieve. Get access to safe personal investment product to help you save towards the things that matter to you. And this works for all from anywhere you live. It works in worldwide, so you can sign up no matter where you are from. So it is asking you a question here. It says don't leave your money in your mobile wallet or under your bed or in your susu box. Open account on Achieve to enjoy better returns, so you earn interest or commissions from the money that you deposit into your wallet. So when you deposit the money into your wallet, all that you have to do is to sleep. You don't have to do anything again. You have to wait. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is that the next day or anytime you want to withdraw your money, you go back to the app, then you withdraw your money again. So I will leave the link in the description to download the app. So let's get into my app and let me show you how you can create an account. You can create an investor account and you will start making money from the app. So let me open my app now and let me show you how you can do everything. So this is the app. It's called the Achieve app. So I'm waiting for it to finish loading. Now this is my account dashboard. I've created an account. So creating an account on this platform is not a difficult thing. So you can create an account on this platform. It's very easy and they really pay. So let me show you how, after you have successfully created the account, let me show you what you have to do again. So you have to click on the investor profile. Then you have to create an investor account. So let me show you how you can create an investor account. So this is my investor account. Have you seen that I have some coins in it? I have withdrawn the money that I'm having on this platform, but I will deposit some amount and I will earn money from it again. So you are a newbie, so when you open the app you won't see anything here. All that you have to do is to create an investor account. So let me show you how you can create an investor account. It says click here to create an investment account, so you have to click there. Then you name your investor account. So let's say this is my investor account. Let me name it like this, Pablo. Then there is my investor account. I've successfully created the investor account. So what I have to do again is to verify my account. So you click on your profile up there, then you click on investor profile. Then you have to complete all these things. You have to complete this. You have to select your next of kin, and this one to the Ghanaian information ID. That's your Ghana card or your passport that you use for the verification. So let me show you how I did mine. So I upload my Ghana card and they verified it for me. So this is my investment profile, they'll ask you questions about the investment that you make, and this is my bank details. You bind your bank to this platform for withdrawals, or you can make withdrawals into your mobile money wallet. So after you have successfully done the verification, all that you have to do is to come back to your investor profile, is to go back to your investor account. So let's say this is the investor account you just created. So all what you have to do is to top up. You have to top up your investor account. So the minimum you can top up is 10 Ghana cedis. You have to top up at least 10 Ghana cedis into your wallet to activate your commission daily. So you have to enter the amount that you want to top up. So let's say we are topping up 100 Ghana cedis. You can top up using your debit card or your mobile money wallet. So let's say we are using the mobile money wallet, and I have bind to mobile money wallet to my account. So I can choose the method that I want to use to deposit, or I can add new here. So you have to enter your details here, then you top up your account. So after you have successfully top up your account, all you have to do is to sit behind for some days, or for some months, or for some weeks, and after that you have to come back for your money. You have to withdraw your money from this app. So this is how this app works. Go down there in the description and register or download the app using that link from the description below. So, and they have referral promo that you get 10 cedis from every referral that you make. You will get 10 cedis from a verified or any referral that you make. So these are the terms and conditions to join the referral promo. So this is how this app works, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video.